Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW 5 Series door handle. This task is quite straightforward with the right tools and a bit of patience. You'll need a few specific items, including plastic prying tools to protect your car's finish, and a set of Torx drivers. Having a long shaft Torx 20 driver can make reaching recessed fasteners much easier. Remember to disconnect your vehicle's battery for safety if you're working with electrical connections. To begin removing the exterior door handle, first locate the small rubber plug on the door jamb. Carefully pry this plug out using your fingers or a plastic tool. Behind it, you'll find a Torx screw, typically a T15 or T25. Use your Torx driver to loosen this fastener by turning it counterclockwise until it stops. This screw is designed to remain in the door, so don't worry about it falling inside. Once the Torx screw is loosened, pull the door handle straight out as if you were opening the door. This action helps detach the lock cylinder side. Next, gently rotate the handle to release it from its opposite pivot point. If your vehicle has comfort access or handle lighting, you will need to disconnect one or two electrical plugs. Use a small flathead screwdriver or pick tool to unlatch these connectors before fully removing the handle. For interior door handle replacement, you'll typically need to remove the entire door panel first. Use plastic pry tools to carefully detach trim pieces and expose retaining screws. After removing the screws, gently lift the door panel and disconnect any wiring for window switches or ambient lighting. Reinstallation is simply the reverse process. Ensure all electrical connectors are securely reattached and listen for an audible click when the handle engages properly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.